This lecture is about transferable skills, and it asks us to recognize the basic control structure in a high-level language other than the one chosen to be studied in depth, and appreciate the program coding is a transferable skill. So transferable skills, also known as portable skills, are qualities that can be transferred from one job to another. You likely already possesses many transferable skills a program developer employers want, like organization and strong communications. But apart from that, as we know that every program language is built around control structures. A control structure is like a block of programming that analyzes variables and chooses a direction in which to go based on given parameters. The term flow control details the direction of the program takes, which way program control flows. Hence, it is the basic decision-making process in computing. It's a prediction. So the three control structures used are sequence, selection, and repetition. Sequence means the default flow of the program, and the selection means the use of if then else and case and end case, and repetition is the use of loops and repetitions like for, repeat, and while. So these three control structures are same across the languages. So what I'm trying to imply over here, that no matter what you know in one language can also be done in another language. So program coding is a transferable skill. So if you can, for example, if you can convert a pseudocode to Visual Basic or Python code, it means that you possess basic transferable skills. Transferable skills are good because programmers are, when they are hired, when they are given employment, basically employer look for the skills in the programmer uh, which are required to develop, design, maintain, modify, and debug softwares. And if you possess that with one tool, you can also convert these skills with less effort to other tools. These qualities are the combination of both, and both soft and technical skills needed for efficiency in the workplace. Honing your software engineering skills makes you an excellent candidate for this industry. So um, that's about it. Other than programming, other transferable skills which are good for a software engineer uh, are required to be knowledgeable in technical skills and also possess soft skills relevant to the field, the technical field. The type of skills you may possess depends on the type of the job you are seeking. Some of those skills, apart from hard code, heads down coding, could be communication, teamwork, problem solving skills, multitasking, attention to details, and obviously, in addition to the computer programming and coding skills. So it would be a general question in exam that asks for the transferable skills. It is about the idea that one thing that can be done in one language can also be done in another language. And if employers uh, look for someone with multiple coding skills, multiple programs, or multiple technologies, or multiple programming languages skill, they will be more appreciating uh, about those programmers who are possessing multiple skills, or at least the ability to transfer their skills from one technology to another. So thank you very much.